I'm Dr. Anita Singh, a consultant at Jyoti Punj Hospital, Patna. I'll be delivering a talk in live webinar on 17th April at 3 p.m. The topic for my talk is cesarean delivery, technique in difficult situations, and auditing. Cesarean section is one of the most commonly performed surgeries by all obstetricians and gynecologists. We come across difficult situations in our day-to-day practice, and we solve it according to our theoretical knowledge, recommendations, and our wisdom at that moment. I'll be reviewing the current scientific literature on this topic and also the recommendations, and I will also share my own experiences in these situations. I am thankful to FOGSI, our president, Dr. Alpesh Gandhi, for such a good initiative, and Zydus for supporting this educational initiative and the support given by the DocMote.